Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I'm going to start building this really creepy Halloween tablescape, starting off with my black tablecloth, and here's that coffin I made. So I've got it sitting right in the middle of the table, and to it I'm going to add my life-size skeleton, and he is trying his best to climb right out of the grave. So next I'm going to add some creepy spider webs hanging down from my chandelier, and I'll probably put a few more on, but right now I'm going to add 4 platters, and these are tarnished silver platters. Perfect for dinner with a skeleton. So next, I'm adding my blood red goblets. And next, for fun, let's add these cute little wine glasses from the Dollar Tree. Don't you just love the skeleton hands? And what do you think? I quite like these blood red crystal plates. So now, for this special occasion, I'm using Mom's silver, Rogers Brothers silver that she has had for at least 65 years. So now all the main elements are on the table. Now let the fun begin. This is where everything becomes special, and I'll be back to show you after I have dressed up this table. So I added a little Spanish moss around my plates and a little creepy cloth to the backs of my chairs. On each plate, I laid a skull. And here inside my coffin, I put some twigs and some branches, some creepy cloth hanging on the skeleton, and I added a strobe light. And I will show you what this looks like in the dark.
You dare come closer?
And there's the strobe light. And at nighttime, it really looks creepy. So I added a black candelabra to the back of the coffin. And each skull I lit up. Now, not all my Halloween projects are going to be creepy, scary like this one. I will have classical decorating, whimsical, but I wanted to start off with a spooky one. And there's the candelabra, all lit up. So now let's take a look at what it looks like in the dark. I think this is super scary and I love it. What do you think? I know not all of you like scary projects, so my next one will probably be whimsical. But I love the way that this turned out. I like the way those skulls light up, the strobe lights.
Don't be afraid. People say I'm crazy.
And I even love that creepy little bird. So I want to thank all of you for being so brave to watch my Halloween Tablescape. And I will see you soon. So until next time, sweet dreams.